we realized that the universe was a kind of tuning fork of consciousness, and that we could tune into its intelligence and hear messages. What you are about to hear is an early example of this technology.